Have you ever interacted with a chatbot? Chances are you have. Chatbots are everywhere, from customer service on websites to virtual assistants on our phones. They are changing the way we interact with technology. But what exactly is a chatbot? Simply put, it's a computer program that can simulate conversation with a human. It uses artificial intelligence to understand your questions and provide helpful responses. The rise of chatbots is being driven by several factors. One is the increasing demand for 24/7 customer service. Another is the growing popularity of messaging apps. People are simply more comfortable texting than talking on the phone. This trend is only going to continue. As AI technology advances, chatbots are becoming more sophisticated and human-like in their interactions. They are poised to revolutionize the way we live, work, and play. At the heart of many advanced chatbots lies a technology called generative AI. This branch of AI focuses on creating new content, like text, images, or even music. In the context of chatbots, generative AI allows them to go beyond pre-programmed responses and generate text that is eerily human-like. Imagine typing a question into a chatbot and receiving a response that is not only accurate, but also creatively worded, engaging, and even humorous. That's the power of generative AI. It allows chatbots to break free from the limitations of scripted responses and engage in more natural and dynamic conversations. This technology is powered by complex algorithms that learn patterns and structures from massive datasets of text and code. By analyzing this data, generative AI models can understand the nuances of human language and generate text that is both coherent and contextually relevant. The implications of this technology are vast. From writing creative stories to generating realistic dialogue for chatbots, generative AI is pushing the boundaries of what's possible with artificial intelligence. Have you ever wanted to create your own AI chatbot? It's an exciting and rewarding journey into the world of artificial intelligence. The best part, you don't need to be a coding wizard to get started. We'll walk through the steps of building a simple yet powerful chatbot using Python, a popular programming language for AI development. Along the way, you'll learn the fundamental concepts of natural language processing, the branch of AI that enables computers to understand and process human language. The satisfaction of building something that can communicate and interact is immense. So if you're ready to dive in and unleash your inner AI developer, let's get started on this exciting adventure. Section 4. Setting up your Python arsenal. Before we embark on our chatbot building quest, we need to equip ourselves with the right tools. Python, with its rich ecosystem of libraries specifically designed for AI and data science, will be our weapon of choice. First, you'll need to install Python on your computer. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process. Once Python is up and running, we'll install two essential libraries, TensorFlow and NLTK. TensorFlow, developed by Google, is a powerful library for numerical computation and large-scale machine learning. It will provide the foundation for building and training our chatbot's AI model. NLTK, short for Natural Language Toolkit, is a library specifically designed for working with human language data. It's packed with tools for tasks like tokenization, which is breaking down text into words, stemming, which is reducing words to their root form, and much more. With these libraries installed, we'll have all the firepower we need to tackle the challenges of natural language processing and build a chatbot that can understand and respond to human language. Section 5. The quest for the perfect dataset. Now that our Python environment is ready, it's time to gather the fuel that will power our chatbot's intelligence data. Specifically, we need a dataset of text that will teach our chatbot how humans converse. Think of this dataset as a massive collection of conversations, like text messages, movie dialogues, or even social media interactions. The more diverse and engaging the conversations in our dataset, the better equipped our chatbot will be to handle a wide range of topics and conversational styles. There are many publicly available datasets that we can use, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. For example, the Cornell Movie Dialogues corpus contains a large collection of conversations from movie scripts, while the Persona Chat dataset focuses on more casual, persona-based conversations. Choosing the right dataset depends on the type of chatbot we're building and the kind of conversations we want it to excel at. Do we want a chatbot that's witty and humorous, or one that's more informative and to the point? The dataset we choose will play a crucial role in shaping our chatbot's personality and conversational abilities. Section 6. Preparing your data for training. With our dataset in hand, we can't just feed it directly to our AI model. Raw text data needs to be pre-processed and transformed into a format that our model can understand. Think of it like preparing a meal for a guest with dietary restrictions. We need to clean, chop, and cook the ingredients in a way that makes them both palatable and digestible. Similarly, we need to pre-process our text data to remove any noise or inconsistencies that might confuse our AI model. This might involve tasks like converting all text to lowercase, removing punctuation, and correcting spelling errors. Another crucial step is tokenization, where we break down the text into individual words or phrases, which serve as the building blocks for our model's understanding of language. We might also use techniques like stemming to reduce words to their root form, allowing our model to recognize different forms of the same word. By carefully pre-processing our data, we ensure that our AI model receives a clean and consistent stream of information, enabling it to learn effectively and produce accurate and relevant responses.